Good afternoon to all. My name is Lavanya, lecturer in English, Gujarat Government College, Nizamabad. So today's my topic is the anagram for the third semester students, for the second year students, for the third semester. So today's topic is the what are the anagrams, right? So what are the anagrams, right? This is a very what you call a very important topic, because from these stage, from these 10th class or the intermediate or the degree first year also, you doesn't know there are the anagrams in our English subject, in our English language, right? So this is a new topic for you. It is started in your degree second year and very interesting topic, so what are the anagrams? What are called the anagrams, right? What type of words are called the anagrams? So, and why anagrams are cool? Right? Why anagrams are cool? Yeah. The purpose of this, right, is to define anagrams and provide some examples. So, what is the purpose of this presentation is, the purpose of the presentation is to define anagrams and provide some examples for you. So, now we are going to jump into the what are the anagrams, right, ma'am? So, the definition, an anagram is a rearrangement of the letters of one word or phrases to form another word or phrase. An anagram is a rearrangement. So what is the anagram? Anagram is a rearrangement of the letters of one word and or the phrases to form another word or phrase. Often the results are highly amusing. Often the results are highly amusing and give deep insight into the text being anagrammed. Right, often the results. So what is the result when you write the rearrange the words into rearrangement, jumble the words, right? So, sorry ma, what is the jumbled words? Jumbled words means what? Nothing but one letter. You have to move the word, you have to move the letter in the one letter to the another letter, but in the anagrams also same as it is one letter to another letter, you have to change the letters, but you have to follow the rule that you have to rearrange the words. Okay, you have to rearrange the words, but the new word, in that word, whatever it may be, you are taking the word example, from that word, you doesn't have the right to remove the word or you doesn't have the right to add the word. Only in that word itself, you have to rearrange, right? In that word itself, you have to rearrange the word and then you have to give the word. So often the results are highly amusing and give deep insight into the text being anagram. Yes. So what type of results you are getting? You are going to get, right? Now see, suppose the examples, Dr. Evil and also the Eastwood. I have taken the two pictures here for the idea, for the fast learning. Yeah. A very simple example is rearranging the letters of evil to get real. Evil to get real. Suppose see in that EVIL, VILE. So what you are observed in these two examples. So one point, remember that point particularly, that you are not removing the letter from that word or you are not taking the another new letter, you are not adding the new letter from that word. As it is the word, but you are rearranging, right? You are jumbling the words and then you are rearranging. So that type of jumbled word and then rearranging words are called the anagrams, right? You have seen lot of jumbled words, lot of rearranged words, right? But that word also have the name. That word also has the name. That name is called the anagram, right? Yeah. More advanced examples include rearranging Clint Eastwood as Old West action, right? And also the first example is the evil ma, right? The first example is the evil, Dr. Evil. I have taken the photo of the Dr. Evil here. So evil is rearranged into will, V-I-L-E. And also here Clint Eastwood, right? And also here Clint Eastwood as Old West action. So see here, all the letters are came, or any new letters you have added, or you have removed the letter, right? We are going to see now. C-L-I-N-T, C-L-I-N-T-E-A-S-T-W-O-O-D. So O-O-S-L-L and D and D and W-W, E-E-S-S-T-T and A-A-C-C-T-I-O-O-N, right? So I have not added any other new letters ma, and I have not removed the old letters. I have rearranged just from that letter itself, so that I have rearranged the words, and then I have gave the anagram to the Clint Eastwood. And ma, remember one thing, that whatever it may be you can write. No, whatever it may be you can't write, you doesn't write ma. You have to give the meaningful anagram. When you are rearranging the letters, you have to give the meaningful word. You have to make the meaningful word. Suppose here ma, E-V-I-L, evil, and V-I-L-E, vile, right? Sorry ma, right? Evil, if it is rearranged as the while also have the meaning. And here Clint Eastwood as the person name, and also it rearranged as the Old West action, right? We can use, and we are using, and lot of the people will use the Old West action. Suppose any action has taken in the west, it belongs to the west, so that we will compare that with the Old West action, right? Meaningful ma, right? Compulsory, it must be meaningful. Yes, that you have to rearrange the letters, whatever it may be, you do that. You rearrange the letters, you rearrange the sentences, you rearrange the words, whatever it may be you can do, but it has to be meaningful, right? Meaningful, compulsory, whatever it may be, you can't write ma, you doesn't write, right? Yeah. And the golden rule, the one rule of anagramming is that, right? The rule ma, what is the rule here you have to follow when you are rearranging the anagrams is, the one rule of anagramming is that the use of letters must be perfect. After that almost anything goes. Yes, I already told that ma, rearranging, when you are rearranging the letters, you have to use the letters perfectly, right? You have to use the letters perfectly. It is compulsory ma. Yes? Yeah, here are some more examples ma, some good examples here, right? Dormitory, right? Dormitory is rearranging the anagram, and it comes to the dirty room, right? It comes to the dirty room. D and D, I, R, T and Y and R, O, O, M. So in that the word itself ma, some word is there magically. That's why I have given that here, the picture of the magic, right? Anagram is a magical word, because in that itself the words are there, so you have to take that word that magically, right? It is a magical word. Magical word means in that word itself, in that letters itself, one word is there, right? What you got in the Telugu, oka padam dagi undi, right? Yeah, in that only One word is day. So you have to pick up that word. Also another example here, slot machines. Slot machines. Cash lost in him. Cash lost in him. So Seema, observe carefully. Observe carefully that I have not removed any letter and I have not added any new letter here. Suppose see here C, yeah, C, A, yes, yes, and H, right, H, and L, yeah, L, and O, and yes, right, yeah, yes, T, and I, N, and E, N, right? Cash lost in M, right? Yeah. Another example here, third example is mother-in-law. In that mother-in-law, you have a word. You have a word, right? What is that word? Woman Hitler, right? That's why I have kept the Hitler photo for understanding. Woman Hitler, W-O-M A and N, women, H and I and T and L and E R. So the children will play, most probably the children will play with the words, right? They will ask that mother-in-law. So mother-in-law, you jumble the letter, you rearrange the letter and give me the word. What is the word will come to the mother-in-law, right? Yeah. And the next one also, another example is the astronomer. Astronomer, right? Astronomer, when you are rearranging the anagram, it becomes as the moon starer, right? Astronomer, when you rearrange as the anagram, it becomes the moon starer. Yeah. And the next example, Princess Diana. Already you know that Princess Diana is very famous word, right? We will use that Princess Diana, right? So it also rearrange. When we rearrange that, so then the word will come as end is a carpine. So in that Princess Diana, the word in the Princess Diana, there is a word. What you call Dakundima in the Telugu, right? Yeah. So that letter you have to pick up, that word you have to pick up. So that word is end is a car spin, right? End is a car spin. Yes. Year 2000. So in this also you have a word that a year to shut down. Very good. No time, no waste. Yeah. I have kept the picture here, So, year 2000 is a year to shut down, right? Yeah. And the next one, a decimal point, right? A decimal point means I am a dot in place. A decimal point is I am a dot in place when you rearrange the letter. And also the public art galleries, large picture halls, I bet. The public art galleries. So it rearranges as the anagram and becomes as the large picture halls, I bet. Right? Not only the word and also the sentences also. Not only the word, the sentences also we can rearrange in the anagram and then we can take the anagram examples. Right? And the next one, snooze alarm. Snooze alarm becomes as the alas no more Z. Alas no more. Right? Alas is no more. Right? Snooze alarm. So I have kept the pictures also for the understanding you. Quickly understanding. So that's why I have kept the pictures also. And the next one, desperation. Desperation. A rope ends it. Right? See, in that desperation, this word is there. This word is there you have to search that word, you have to search that letter, and then you have to give the anagram to that letter desperation, right? A R O P and E, right ma? And E N D S and I T, right? A rope ends it. Yes. And also I have written here the internet sites for the anagrams ma. You can search in the internet also for the anagrams, right? Yeah. And good reasons to use anagrams in school ma. They are a great exercise for the mind, right? It's a good game to use in the English class, and because anagrams rock, right? Anagrams are rocked because the children, I already told that the people, the children, the students, they can play with these anagrams. They can give to their students the word, and then they have to rearrange the words, and then they have to give the correct word. So a game, a quiz, a game, not the quiz but a game. We can play a game with the anagram, right? So very good, very nice example of the anagram, right? So I'm repeating once again ma. My name is Lavanya Sadak, lecturer in English, Giriraj Government College, Nizamabad from, right? So what is the anagrams and why anagrams are cool? Anagrams are very cool ma, right? Very cool, right? Yeah. So why anagrams are cool? By Scott Trepanier. Yes? Yeah. The purpose of the presentation is to define anagrams and provide some examples also, right? What is the purpose means? So it is to define the anagram, to explain the anagram, what is the anagram and how we will use the anagram and when we can use the anagram, right? What are the anagrams? Yeah. So here some examples also I have provided for you for an idea. Yes. Now come to the anagram definition. An anagram is a rearrangement of the letters of one word or phrase to form another word or phrase, right? So nothing but very easy. The people will play with these also the game because in that the word, right, a word, whatever the word you will take, you are taking, right? In this definition also ma, a word is there. You have to search, right? You have to search that word and letters, and you have to rearrange the letters, and then you can make the anagrams, right? An anagram is a rearrangement of the letters. Anagram is a rearrangement of the letters. Often the results are highly amusing and give deep insight into the text being anagrammed. Right? What is that means? Often the result, when you jumble the letters or when you rearrange the letters ma, so then what is the result you are going to see? Right? You are going to read. What is the result? Yes, so that is that highly amusing and give deep insight into the text being anagrammed. Right? So see the example ma, what is that? See here I have taken the two pictures ma. One is the Dr. Evil and one is the Clint Eastwood. So for getting an idea, I have taken the pictures here. So now, a very simple example is rearranging the letters of. So we are going to rearrange the letters ma, and then we are going to see that what when you are rearranging the letters, so what it becomes, right? What it happens, right? Yes. So. Sorry ma. Yeah. A very simple example is rearranging the letter is evil, right? Evil to get to rearrange the letter and then rewrite the letters. So then what it gets? Evil, E-I, EVILVILE, right? And also note the point compulsory that when you are rearranging the anagrams, when you are rearranging a word, so the word also, when you are rearranged, so the word also meaningful word, not the meaningless word. It also be the meaningful compulsory. You don't no right to write whatever it may be you can take and whatever it may be we can write. No, right? No. You have to write meaningful word and the running word, right? Not whatever it may be we can arrange, or whatever it may be we can jumble. So no. You have to follow the rule compulsory in the anagram, that the word whatever it may be you take, and the word whatever it may be you rearrange, that whatever it may be the word is getting for you when you are rearranging, so that word also be the meaningful compulsory, right? So here evil is to get the wheel. And also the second one, more advanced examples include rearranging that Clint Eastwood as Old West action. Clint Eastwood is Old West action, means here the Clint Eastwood action is Old West action, right? Yeah. And also the rule, you have to follow compulsory the rule that the one rule is anagramming is that the use of letters must be perfect. I already told in the starting that whatever it may be the anagrams you are going to rearrange, so that letters or that word must be perfect. After that almost anything goes. Right? After that almost anything goes, but you have to be perfect. You have to write perfectly compulsory. Yes. So here are some more examples. I have written that magical examples, right? Because the anagram is a magic, right? Because the letters, whatever it may be, the words you have, the letters you have to pick up in that word itself, in that letter itself, in that sentences itself. Because you have no right to add the new words or removing the new words. Yes? Yeah. So the examples here, dormitory. What is the dormitory means? So this I have kept the picture for you. That is dormitory, right? Dormitory, when you rearrange the word, when you jumble the word, when you have to write the anagram, give the anagram, so then it becomes as the dirty room. It becomes as the dirty room. How? Now, D and D, I and I, R, T, yes, T, and Y, yeah, Y, and R, yeah, R, O, M, right? So, I have not removed any word from this, any letter from this, or I have not arranged the new letter from the outside. That word, whatever the word I have written there, dormitory. So for that word itself, I have given the anagram, right? So this is the rule you have to follow compulsory in the anagram. Anagram itself when you change, when you rearrange the anagram itself also, it gets the nagaram. Right? You write once in your book and then you search it and then you can get an idea that anagram, nagaram. Yes. And the second example, slot machines. Slot machines. So, slot machines, C, and where is the A and S, and where is the H? Yeah, H, and Lord, L, O, and S, and T, right? And I, and N, and E, and M, right? So, cash lost in him. Cash lost in him, right? And the next example ma here, mother-in-law, right? Mother-in-law becomes as the woman Hitler. Mother-in-law becomes as the woman Hitler. That now W, S and O, M, A and N, right? Woman, and H, I and T, L, E, R. So woman Hitler, right? I'm not taking the word new word, or I'm not removing the word from the letters from the word. Okay. Next one is the astronomer, right? Astronomer becomes as the anagram moon star. How you can see that, ma? M, O and O and N and S, T, A, R, E, R. Moon star. Yes. And the Princess Diana, it also becomes as the anagram end is a card spin. How it becomes? See now, end E, E, N, D and I and S and A and C, A, R and S, P, I, N. Yeah. Princess Diana is the end is a car spin, right? So we are using that word, end is a car spin. We are using, lot of the people will use the situation by the situation. So that's why it is in the word, using word. So that's why we can write the anagram. That is a correct anagram. Yes. And the next one, year 2000. Yes, year 2000. So when you change into the anagram that A, where is the A, ma? Yeah, A and year, S and T, O, 2 and shut, S, H, U and T, shut, D, O and W, yes, N. So a year to shut down. Year 2000 is a year to shut down. Yes. Next one, ma, a decimal point. I am a dot in place, right? A decimal point. I am a dot dot in place. I am a dot in place, right? Yeah. Next one, ma, the public art galleries, right? The public art galleries. Now see here, ma, the public art galleries is L. Where is the L, ma, here? Yeah, in the public also and the galleries also. Okay. In the public, L and art A and art R and G from gallery and E from the and P from public and I from galleries and C from public and T from the and U R E, right? U R E, public, large picture and halls, right? HALLS. So where is the H? In the da. In the da, H and A in from the galleries, ma, and LLS also from the gallery and I, right? I from the gallery and BET, bet, B from the public and E from the da. From da we are not taking the what you call the E and T from the art. Yes, large picture hall, I bet. Yes. So the next one, ma, snooze alarm, right? A from the alarm, L also from the alarm, A also from the alarm, S from the snooze, right? So 4 words you have completed. Next, N from the snooze, O from the snooze. Okay. And M from the alarm and O from the snooze and R from the alarm, right? And E from the snooze and ZS. Z and yes. LS no more. Yes, ma? LS no more. Yes. Next one, ma, description. Yes, description, right? Yeah, description. A R, where is R, and O P E, and also E, and also N D S I T, right? A rope ends it. A rope ends it. Yeah. So I have written here my internet sites for the anagrams also. That is www.anagramgenes.com. You can search from these what you call the sites, right? You can learn the more anagrams. You have to learn the more anagrams. You can get the more anagrams. So then you can get from these sites very easily, so I have searched the sites very good. So then you can go with these sites, and you can you can try more anagrams, and you can see the more anagrams, and you can try more anagrams, and you can enjoy the anagrams, because it is not a topic, it is a game. Right, good reasons to use anagrams in school or in colleges, whatever it may be. So they are a great exercise for the mind, right? The anagrams are the very great exercise for the mind, because it's a good game to use in English class, and because anagrams will rock. Yes. So this is my class, for today's class, right? So I'm ending the class now. So the end. And thank you very much. Thank you very much,